In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can increase the Steam Deck battery lifespan. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you have a Steam Deck, do this. On the home screen, go ahead and press the Steam button, and then from here, go ahead and scroll down to Settings, just like so, and hit A to open it up. From here, scroll down a little bit until you do see the power option on here. And what you're going to want to do is open this up and find the battery charging limit, and go ahead and make sure that this is toggled on. What this will do is prevent your Steam Deck from charging to 100%. And charging a battery to 100% constantly will put extra stress on it over time. By charging it to something like 80%, you reduce long-term wear and help extend the overall lifespan of the battery. By default, the charging limit is set to 80%, which is a great balance between battery health and usable playtime. You can obviously increase this, just keep in mind that the higher the percentage, the more stress it's going to put on the battery. And I would personally recommend putting it at 80%. Now, while you're in the power settings, also, I would recommend turning on the dim display. Just put those on as well. And of course, the sleep timer settings, you could change those too. Obviously, lower screen brightness and faster sleep timers will also help preserve battery health over time. But that is it. That is how you can increase your Steam Deck's battery lifespan. And once again, if you have a Steam Deck, do this. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.